What's up, mi gente? Today we're gonna be cleaning my handcrafted Indonesian wooden dining room table. As you see, my children have definitely done a number on it. I have slime, Play-Doh, food, just gunk, and even dust just stuck all over the tabletop. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean it from start to finish. First, I'll start with a damp sponge, just going over all of the spots very lightly. It's not too wet at all because you do not want your table to then continue to get more water stains. Then I begin to move on to the stuck Play-Doh. I like to use a plastic knife to go ahead and just scrape that off. Comes right off. And then I go into the small crevices and empty them out. And now I go over it with a damp sponge just to eliminate any debris in the area. And I repeat the same steps over and over onto every single crevice in order to remove all of the gunk that's been just sitting inside, taking every single piece of Play-Doh, food bits, just slime, every little thing that my children could have possibly put inside this table. We're taking it out with this plastic knife. For our final step, we are going to be spraying some coconut oil of your choice onto a microfiber towel and then spreading it across the table, not missing any spots, taking our time. You can start to see the difference between an oiled area and a dry area. And now our table is nice and oiled down. It is absolutely amazing. Look at this, it looks beautiful. If you guys like my video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.